Let's divide these polynomials using long division. To do that, we can set up a bracket, 2x plus 3 on the outside of a division bracket, and then underneath I'm going to put 4x cubed. Because there's no x squared term, I'm going to include a 0x squared and minus 5x minus 9. And then we want to take the 2x portion of the divisor and divide that into the first term here. So I get 4x cubed divided by 2x, and that's 2x squared. Since 4 divided by 2 is 2, and x cubed divided by x is x squared. That goes into the quotient, 2x squared goes into the quotient, and then I want to take that 2x squared times 2x plus 3 and subtract. So 2x squared times 2x is 4x cubed. That's going to make the 4x cubed go away, and I also get a plus 6x squared. So if I subtract those, I get a negative 6x squared, and we can bring down the negative 5x. And to find the next item in the quotient, I can take negative 6x squared and divide by 2x. Of course, that's negative 3x. And negative 3x goes into the quotient. We can then take the negative 3x times 2x plus 3, and that will get subtracted from the negative 6x squared minus 5x. So this is negative 6x squared minus 9x, and because we're subtracting, negative 5 minus negative 9 is going to be positive 4x. Finally, we can bring down the minus 9. And one more item will go into our quotient. 4x divided by 2x is 2. So we get a positive 2 as the final value in the quotient. 2 times 2x plus 3 gets subtracted. 4x plus 6 gets subtracted from 4x minus 9. So negative 15 is the remainder, and one of the forms that we can use for the answer would be the quotient, 2x squared minus 3x plus 2, and then plus the remainder, negative 15, or we could have written minus 15, over 2x plus 3, over the divisor. This particular problem we can't use synthetic division for, because with synthetic division we can only divide by something that looks like x minus c, and we can't quite fit the 2x plus 3 into that form. We could divide by 2 and turn this into x plus 3 over 2, but then that would be a slightly different problem, and it wouldn't quite work out the same way. So this is an example of a polynomial that it does work with long division. Long division is a bit more flexible, but it doesn't work with synthetic division.